Alright guys, here I am again showing you your assignment for today for your essay revision stations. Today you guys are going to complete your essay revision stations number 2. So in order to do this, you need to make sure that essay station revision 1, that was when you went through your 5 standards you needed to learn more about and then make those corrections according to the standards you learned about on your paper. Once you're finished with that, then you are going to move on to station 2, okay? In order to complete station 2, you need to choose a partner. So, make sure that you follow these rules in order to choose your partner. So if you are a number 1 at your seat, you may choose any 6 in the class. If you are a number 2, you may choose any 5 in the class. If you are a number 3, you may choose any 4 in the class. And if you are a 7, you may choose anyone that is available. Those are the rules. There are no exceptions. This is how you will choose your partners in this class to help you make your essay look good. All right? Okay. So once you've chosen your partner, you're going to follow the instructions carefully on the slide to ensure your best quality of work. So let's go to the slides. So again, this is revision station 1. This comes after you finish station 2. So again, here's the rules. If you're a 1, you have to be with the 6, so on and so forth. And then what you're going to do is you're going to exchange essays. So you're going to need to share your essay. I would advise you to make a copy and then share the copy with your partner. And then that way you don't lose permissions to submit it, okay? So exchange essays and tell your partner which standards you are focusing on. So remember the number and the standard itself. I would advise you to have your assignment from yesterday open, which told you all the different standards, the pink and the yellows. That way they can look at it and see where you're struggling with that, okay? So they should give you suggestions on these standards and the content in your essay. We went over what the requirements for the content is. Your essay needs to be 5 paragraphs long. I'm not concerned about pages or words, just 5 good paragraphs. And then each essay needs to contain these items. So you need to define the 2 genres, magical realism and Gothic literature. Discuss how each story is a good example of its genre. You need to provide effective evidence from the 2 sides. So what that means is you need to have direct quotes and direct examples from both stories. But just throwing a quote in there is not effective evidence. That is just a quote. You need to make sure that your partner has not only put in a quote, but thoroughly explained how that quote connects to their topic sentence or their thesis. Remember, your quotes need to be half as long as your explanation, or your explanation needs to be twice as long as the quote itself. So make sure that you have more of your own opinions and more of your own words than the quotes themselves, okay? Then you need to make sure that your partner evaluated the intended effect of the story it has on the reader. This can be done in a lot of different ways. So if you're confused, you can ask me on that portion. Then you, as you're going through your partner's essay, you need to find 3 parts of the essay that deserve a star. This is where the writing shines and inspires you. Find some good stuff that helped you understand what's going on in the essay, that you just thought was really well written, the evidence that stuck out, something. And then put an actual star and a note by these 3 parts. Okay, I'm going to go over the comments and how you can do that in this video. Then you need to make a specific wish statement for improvement. Examples: I wish you explained, and then list a specific part more clearly. I wish you proved this part with evidence. I wish your hook captivated more, etc. So once you have done this, you are going to come back to your assignment and you're going to go to this doc and you're going to type what you told your partner here. Okay, so the 3 parts of the essay should be here, along with your note to them. And then your specific wish needs to be typed here after adding it to the comments on your partner's essay. Now, if you do not know how to make comments, let's go ahead and do that. So you are going to see this little guy right here? Okay, all I have is this little note right here. So you can add a comment, you can add an emoji, you can suggest edits. So this is how you add a comment. You click on that, you type in your comment. After it'll highlight whatever you're on. You can add an emoji. This is where you can add whatever you want. Flowers, stars, hearts. Okay? So it doesn't have to be a star. You could put a cute heart. You could put any of these items that you want just to note positive things about, here's the stars. So the stars are under the little B, where the positive things are that you think they did really well at. All right, so once you are done with both of these, you are going to turn it in. All right, so station 1 is due today. Station 2 and 3 will be due on Thursday. Okay, so I will be assigning you station 3 tomorrow. Friday will be stations 4 and 5, and then I moved the submission for final by Monday before class. All right, so I hope this helps. I hope you guys are doing well. Please watch this video a couple times if you need to, and I will see you in class.